motorcycle.
So some of these devices that Alex is setting up may be difficult for those in the audience to see. The judges, you can all see what's going on up here, and then you'll be able to see the demo.
A little bit text up here.
Great, thank you. Okay, sorry. So my name is Alex Lai, and I'm the founder of Metron Force. So anyone here is a fan of Star Wars, Jedi Force? Raise your hand. Something's going on already. So today I'm going to give you some of the fun in the presentation instead of so serious about all the stuff, okay? So we're going to present a new technology, actually. You guys, most of us actually, since we're a kid, has been waiting for a long time, actually. So in next 5 years now, everything around us will either be smart or Internet things, right? But how are we going to control all of them? Do you want to use 100 apps to control 100 devices? No, right? We want to just control everything around us. How? By wave our hand, everything around us. Let me talk about my personal experience, okay? I'm just like the boy in the picture, okay? The boy with the fantasy of having power to control everything around him. But a lot of times to our disappointment, all the RC controller is clunky. And it's always one-to-one control. There's no imagination we can bring it to the kid to imagine, okay? So as a kid or as an adult, we're always asking ourselves, when this type of force technology become available, okay? Now your waiting is over. We're going to introduce you a new technology, amazing force technology that allow you to control everything around you. Let me demonstrate with a little bit of those devices are in front of me, okay? So, a second.
You need any help with the demo?
Yeah, I just reset some of the stuff.
You want me to move this motorcycle?
It's okay. So you can just move your hand, okay? And you can control the lights. Just simple force of your hand, okay? And not just that, you can control everything. Just anything device in front of us. This is the network that we built into the wearable that actually allow you to control up to 1,000 devices simultaneously, just like the Superman in the movie, okay? Now you can control the BPA. That everybody know about this robot already. So you can just really simple hand movement. You reach out your hand and imagine. So that one will be moved whatever you like to move, just like you turn left, turn right, right? More advanced is the motorcycle, okay? So this is the technology that we built actually. And we want to, the magic behind it is our wearable technology. This is the technology we built. We release that wearable MetronForce wristband. The first wristband in the world to control multiple devices simultaneously with just simple hand gesture. Our M4 wristband algorithm, pattern planning algorithm, inside these wristbands, allow the user even reach out and control the drone. We also use the drone algorithm to control it simultaneously by just single hand movement instead of clunky RC box that you usually buy with the drone. And I'm going to demonstrate this drone here. So hopefully you not fly away. Okay. So one of our network actually, when you turn it off, they would automatically detect the turn off that is not part of the network. then actually it won't actually control you directly jump to the one that you want to control, right? Now I turn on this drone, okay? So before I show you, actually, we let people to try in the exhibition in the TechCrunch Disrupt in New York last month, actually. And the reaction is, wow, this is what I'm waiting for since I was a kid. Actually, this is a true feeling of the power in your hand, actually. Okay? So hopefully the drone is not sleeping. So we double tap it, actually, now it's switching to the drone, right? So drone, actually, you can using single hand without any RC box control it. You see it, right? Sorry about that. Actually, I reversed the cover. So if you come, let me switch the cover, okay? So this will be the front. So let me stick. Okay, so let me put it back the right way. Okay. Okay, let me do it again. So one single hand movement, you can control everything by just a hand movement. Very fun. And this one can up to 6 drone now with configure. So you can really easy for consumer. Just what they do is just holding the and then moving by just hand movement, actually. Oh. So the drone is in the high space is pretty fast, actually. So but I'm having fun actually controlling it without, so I try to catch it with the hand, actually. So that's the way you cannot do it when you have an RC box controller in front of you. So there's a button to, I just press it, is to deactivate the whole network, actually. So now the network is not receiving my command because it's already deactivated. So besides our wristband, it also comes with called an MetronForce brain, which can convert any device to be smart and to be commanded by hand gesture. We build actually the whole controller from scratch. The one you see here actually is our receiver, the brain. They're already loaded with our autopiloting algorithm inside already. It combined with the wristband to fuse it together to become a single action. So that when the first package, you're gonna come with this one. So we have a grand visions of endless application, right? Including the smart home control, right? You can control the lights, just the one I saw you. But we gotta focus on early adopter, which is in the toys and maker market, including the drone. So beside our consumer product, we're also going to B2B by providing our MetronForce algorithm platform solution to GE, to Samsung smartwatch, to Honda Lab, and you know it already, Disney Star Wars toys collection. And we're already in touch with the Samsung, with the Honda Lab already, even in the Hasbro, okay? In the current markets, the existing competitor wristband still very slow and accurate. I know you know about MYO already. And there's always one-to-one limitation. We are the first company in the world to combine the fast, stable wrist gesture algorithm with instant multiple control device control feature into single form feature wearable device. The MetronForce wristbands really look like reading your mind actually to control it whatever you want. So as such, we get a huge media support from CNET, from magazine, also from Futurism. They already talk about, write article about us, and we have a live in the Futurism. So for our current Metron Force product, we have Consumer Kit 1 and Consumer Kit 2, pricing at $150 and $200, including the drone.